back to the meet. Today I run at the 8 4x4. Hopefully we do good enough. But yeah. T-Bird Flyers chocolate. And the 8 I think I could run like a 2:14 Australian Olympic PB. But yeah, and the 4x4 I think I went second leg. I have this posing in bro. I beat him in the 8. I beat him in the 8. But yeah, I think my race at like it probably at like 12:30 or 1 o'clock. So yeah, I just got my number. Wait, what is this number? That's the biggest number in my life. No, but I never
Those are your winners.
Over 3 digits. I just chilling right now, waiting on my race, staying off my legs. But ain't nothing to do. Doing my muffin. I don't know if I'm gonna record it. I don't know if it's for me. But yeah, I just put on my leg jog. Then I can do something not stretching. And get ready for the 800. Hopefully someone record it. But yeah.
And they're off. You're watching the final section for the under-17 boys. 800 meters. 2 laps around the track. Paging Coach Foster Dorset. Coach Foster Dorset, please report to the announcers area. Coach Foster Dorset, please report to the announcers area. Down Monroe. It's Monroe. Crawl. 120 meters remaining. 146 on the clock. 100 meters remaining. Here, taking it out. It's Steve Velocity. Cordell Monroe running away with it. 155 on the clock. 158 on the clock. And it's Cordell Monroe of Team Velocity. Cordell Monroe taking the win. And the final section, CH Meetings Raptors, Devontae Burrell finishing in second. Finishing in third, Harry Murray, Ethan Scott.
I just finished my race. I'm cooked, babe. I'm cooked. Trench and sweat.
Right, hey.
I did clock at 2:14 though.
White, brown, and
So that's good. Clock at 2:14.
Wait, chill out, bro.
What you just say?
I said,
Snaggle ugly too. Snaggle ugly too. Sit down. Wait, I'm just a chill guy, you know. I hear if you stretch too much. If you stress too much, that'll stunt your growth.
Let me drop you.
So you record her?
because you record a race, everything good.
Everything good.
Stop,
Wait, Malia, say hi to the vlog, bro. Just say hi to the vlog, bro.
Turn on YouTube.
Alright, so we waiting for the 4x4 now. This like the last thing, so that's like 5 o'clock. But we gonna do great. We are great. If this nigga don't sell, cause he running last leg over me. Cause he like man. He likes man. So the 4x4 like an hour away now. So we gonna start warming up in like 30 minutes or so. Because I feel like we can win the 4x4 for real. We have a good team. I run in second leg, I think. And this kid wants to take my spot for ankle. Cause he like man, this is ugly nigga. Even though he know my PB faster is in the 4, even though he knows. But yeah, so I can tell you when I bought a warm up. Then I can show you all the race. All the way from the 4x4. This nigga on my team, you know. He running ankle. Even though I should be running ankle, cause my 400 time 10 times better than this. Nigga clocking like a 59. I'm clocking like a 55. But whatever. It is what it is. If he sell our ankle, I'm tearing off his head. Cause our team is great. Our team is perfect. Perfect for our age division. But yeah. Do not sell. This offer is under 17 really. So, you know, I had the highest bounce. I better clear the highest part of the hurdle.
Shut up, you sissy.
I'm gonna clear the highest part of the hurdle. It's not on the highest, but we gonna level up.
Nigga, y'all supposed to jump off with one leg.
I jump over the top of it.
Wait, that's no team voting.
Hey, this is done by professionals. Don't try this at home.
I want to jump over this.
It's not done by professionals. Still don't try this at home. I was just waiting for the nigga to fall just now, I ain't gonna lie. Hey!
Only I just only I ain't even warm up for the 4x4, but I ran into the bathroom, so this is my warm up ratio. But you better go in the 4x4 with 0 warm up. So hopefully you still do good. But yeah, like I should have reached when it done. Just finished the 4x4. First place, obviously. It was expected. Wait, that boy who was in it was in lane 8. From Andres, who was in all block. He was a man. He was a man. But I spit a 55. I can share the video right now. That's the end of this video though. Wait, I can show y'all getting me my medal, my trophy. Okay, yeah. But yeah. After that, I can show y'all getting my medal and trophy.
109, guys.
And then we going. What you run?
109.
Great start out of the blocks for the under 17 mixed 4x400 meter relay. Already taking out hard and fast. That's red line and legs.
Let's go, Darius!
Running well. Running smoothly. Out in front. As Andros East. Andros East out in front, followed by red line athletic. Andros East running well, running smoothly. Here they come. It's Andros East, Red Line Athletics, Hurry Murray, T-Bird Flyers. Andros East, he's out in lane 8. Andros East. Andros East, he's going to pass it off to his teammate. Back to the action on the drag. Andros East out in front with the lead. In chase by Red Line Athletics. Trying to make a move. Here comes Murray. Murray sitting in third place. He's running well. Murray, look at her run well. The speedster for Murray. Murray running smoothly. Here comes Andros East. She's starting to slow down a bit. Red Line Athletics trying to catch her up. Passing her. Here comes Red Line Athletics. Red Line Athletics, Murray. Red Line Athletics, here comes Murray on the inside of Red Line Athletics. That's Dominic McLennan representing Murray.
Let's go, RJ!
Second leg.
Run, RJ!
Red Line Athletics. Murray.
Let's go,
Red Line Athletics defeated. T-Bird Flyers. On the back stretch is all Red Line Athletics. Trying to hold on to the lead. Murray trying to challenge him. Here comes T-Bird Flyers. T-Bird Flyers, the B team, handing it off. Red Line Athletics running well. Red Line Athletics, the A team.
Let's go, RJ!
Red Line Athletics in the lead. Redline Athletics. He's going to pass it off. Handing it off to the Final Exchange. Final Exchange. There she goes.
That's coming me.
Ricky Campbell, Harry Murray. And Andros James running as well. Again, Redline Athletics roll on to the lead. Redline Athletics on the back stretch. On the back stretch is Andros States in second. Here comes Harry Murray. Harry Murray does Batisha Cam moving up into second place. Harry Murray taking advantage of a great leg from Dominic McLennan. And here comes Redline Athletics, the A team. She's going to finish strong. This is Redline Athletics. Here comes Batisha Cam for Harry Murray. She's going to finish it up in second place. Samaya Crawley crossing the finish line.
Way to go, Samaya.